Now we'll see what is information technology, but before that, subscribe to my channel to get more updates. If you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. Now we will see, before defining information technology, you should know the terms. What is information? So we'll see one by one all the terms, then we'll collectively make the definition or what is information, we'll see. Now, before learning again information, we should learn what is data. Okay, so what is data, we have to learn. So data is what? Means like suppose you are entering any data, like you are entering, suppose, let's take you are entering 2. Let's take you are entering suppose a name of the person is suppose ABC. He's staying at suppose randomly, anyhow it is arranged. Okay, just going on inputting, but it is not properly in meaningful form, so it is a raw data. Suppose let's take floor, so second, and okay, so now this is a raw data, so it is collection of facts and figures. Facts and figures, let's say it is not arranged in proper form, so it is not organized in proper form. So data is what? Collection of facts and figures, text, numbers. Now, to make it meaningful, we have to do organization of this address properly. So how I'll organize? So this is organization like ABC first, that is the name of, it is a address of ABC, because if I enter data this way, we will not understand what it is actually. So if we arrange properly and organize this data properly into meaningful information, so that becomes data. So we can write like 2 is suppose street. Okay, street. So here we can say now ABC, second floor. Okay, this way, and then second 2 street, second floor. So now this is meaningful. Now we can understand, like, this is for what purpose. Okay, so you can write, so this is meaningful information. So what is information? Information means processed data. Okay, so I will show you full definition in another slide. So here this is nothing but processed data which is meaningful to the recipient. Now recipient can understand this, so this is meaningful information. So data is collection of facts and figures, information is processed data. So we'll see more in detail in next slide. Next we'll see technology. Now technology makes our life very easily. So previously we were using suppose cycle, now we are using motorbike. Then after that, as technology got increased, we started using car and so on, then aeroplane to reach from one country to another country. So technology means it is a collection of tools. Suppose pen we are using, previously we were not using pen, like this the leaves were used, then no ink was there. Then that time something like from blood, or you can say from leaves, that ink was prepared, and there was no paper. So it is as technology means to make the job easier. Okay, so in this it consists of tools, machines, and techniques. So we are using different techniques here. So like you can say uh, like washing machine, you can say. Okay, techniques like washing machine, you can say. What it does, we put the cloth. So it is all technology. Previously how we were washing cloth, there was no machine. So now washing machine is used so that easily we can put rinse the cloth. Even clothes get dried, okay, like to some extent. So to make our life easier, technology is used. So it consists of tools, machine, technique. So now we will define what is information technology. That is, it is also called as IT. So in all, information technology is now we can say that we can say now that is to process this data, okay, data, to get what information. So we want information means output we want. Suppose 2 plus 2 we want 4, or 2 plus 3 5 we want. Okay, so we want result. So what we will require, we will require input, and then we'll get output. But here in this midway we want to do, we have to do processing. Okay, so this processing is nothing but done by all this using technology. Okay, so here data is in form of input which we give through keyboard or mouse, and then by mouse we can click, and then processing is done by using technologies, and information you get the final result. So in all, we can define information technology is nothing but, you can say, a use of uh, computers. In all, you can say use of computers. So now we can define totally information, adding this summing of all these definitions individually. So we can say now information is that is IT also it is called. It is nothing but use of all uh, everything in information technology is use of computer. Okay, so technology is nothing but use of computer, so that we can take the data, gather, collect, process. Okay, so use of we can say use of, in all, use of, that is use of computers to convert this data, to convert, or to or transfer transfer this data, okay, this data into information. So we'll get final result by using information. So now we'll see information technology, what it is. That is, now we'll define the term information technology. It compasses of all the computer technology in order to create, collect, process and store the information. So information technology consists of hardware, software and computer network. So now finally we can say that is, information is processed data in order to make meaningful uh, to recipient for current and progressive decision. So when we get the final result, so if address is understood that this is this person's address, then that is called information. It is meaningful to the recipient. It is, and data is what, random collection of text, raw data, which I had shown you. It is collection of random collection of data, that is raw data, numbers, facts, figures, okay, which don't have meaning, which is not in organized form. Like this address is not in organized form. When we arrange this properly, then that becomes information. Okay, so that is data. Now we will see technology. As I told you, use of tools, machines. So what is the use of technology? So that we can make our job with very easy, like washing machine, so it is easy. So as technology goes on increasing, so the processing also become fast, like new technology are coming, so that everything becomes very fast and easy. So that is the use of technology. Information technology is what now full definition. When we sum of this information and data collectively and technology, we will make a definition now. So information technology is what it is all about use of computer in order to convert or transfer the data in meaningful information. So hope you understood. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.